Database management system. This question is of 12 to 10 marks in the exam. Describe the architecture of database management system. In data with neat sketch, explain the function of each component. The answer is, you have to write like this. Architecture of DBMS. Database system is partitioned into modules that deal with each of the responsibilities of the overall system. The functional component of a database system is broadly divided into storage manager and the query processor components. The storage manager is important because database typically requires a large amount of storage space. Typical structure of the database management system with its components and the relationship between them is given in the figure. Each module or the component shown is assigned a specific operation to perform. The physical data and system catalog are stored on the physical disk. The query processor is important because it helps the database system simplify and facilitate access to data. The various components are as follows. Storage manager. Storage manager is a program or the module that provides an interface between the lower level data stored in the database and the application program and the queries submitted to the system. The storage manager is responsible for the interaction with the file manager. The query processor components include DDL interpreter and DML compiler. DDL interpreter, which interprets DDL statements and records the definition in the data dictionary. DML compiler, which translates the DML statements in a query language into an evaluation plan consisting of low-level instruction that the query evaluation engine understands. A query can usually be translated into any number of alternative evaluation plan that gives the same result. Third is query optimization. It picks the lowest cost evaluation plan for among the alternatives. Query evaluation engine, which executes a low-level instruction generated by the DML compiler. So these are all the components of query processor. Then runtime database manager is the central software component of the DBMS, which interfaces with user submitted application programs and queries. It handles database access at runtime. It converts operation in users queries coming directly as a query processor or indirectly via the application program from the user's logical view to a physical file system. Query processor component include DDL interpreter, DML compiler and query evaluation engine. DDL interpreter, which interprets DDL statements and records the definition in the data dictionary. DML compiler, which translates DML statements in a query language into an evaluation plan consisting of low-level instructions that the query evaluation engine understands. The query can usually be translated into any number of alternative evaluation plans that all give the same result. DML compiler also performs query optimization, that is, it picks the lowest cost evaluation plan from among the alternatives. Query evaluation engine, which executes low level instruction generated by the DML compiler. Now see the diagram of database architecture. The system diagram, system structure of database management system. It is basically divided into 4 sections. The first part is the end user. The user may be application programmer or database administrator or analyst or sophisticated users or some layman or web users. Then they interact with the database management system through application interfaces, application program, query tools, administration tools. Then the second part is query processor. So the users interact to the database management system with the help of query processor. Then query processor is interconnected to the storage manager, which is the logical storage. Then this logical storage is connected to the physical storage, that is the disk storage, which is the 4th section of the system structure. In the query processor, the components are DML queries, DDL interpreter, compiler and linker, DML compiler and generator, application program object code, query evaluation engine. You can see the arrows. All the components are connected to generate the query optimized query evaluation plan. Then storage manager. After generating the evaluation plan, they are stored under the logical storage of the system with the help of transaction manager, authorization and integrity manager, file manager and buffer manager. These are the components of storage manager, which is interconnected to the physical storage of the system. So disk storage consists of indices, data, data dictionary, statistical data. Thank you.